Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. If you're watching in recording, as always, you're welcome to fast forward about 5 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. I'm gonna check the sound now. Welcome to fast. All right, the sound is good. Good morning, Gina. How is Merida treating you? Oh, that's right, Gina. Merida is in Central Time Zone. It's so weird, right? It's so close, and yet it's a different time zone. So funny. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Sandra. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will continue using sense perceptions as the object of our meditation. I'll remind you that sense perceptions are about our senses, of course: hearing, sight, feeling, tasting, and smelling. Yesterday we did a practice using sounds as the object of our meditation, and today we will use sight. Pema Chodron says that working with sight is a little harder to stay with, and she recommends that we work with 3 different eye gazes. one that's really close down, then a few feet in front of you on the floor, and the third one straight in front of you. The instruction is that the eyes are open, but the whole of your attention doesn't always have to be on the specific object that you are seeing. You can simply take in the sensation of what you see, the space, the air, the wholeness of the field of vision in front of you. And you can practice with these 3 different gazes. And the object of meditation can be whatever your eyes fall on. You just stay with each gaze for a couple of minutes. So let's do this practice together now. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle into your body. Find the posture that allows you to stay alert and at the same time relaxed. Very stable base, feeling your connection with the earth, the support of the ground. Relaxed legs, relaxed hands. Find the natural length of your spine, the natural openness of your heart. Nothing is forced. Soften the facial muscles. Maybe bring a gentle smile to your lips. And in this practice, of course, your eyes will be open. And we will experiment with 3 different gazes, as Pema Chodron suggests. Your breath nice and slow, soft, natural. Just feel your body breathe in and out. No struggle. Letting all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, to just flow through you as energy. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breath. And now we'll explore 3 types of gaze as the object of our meditation. For each gaze, just look. Try not to apply any judgment. Remember, nothing is inherently good or bad, right or wrong, pretty or ugly. So just look. And if your eyes do funny things, include that into your practice. Try not to get distracted, of course, but if you do get distracted, simply come back to looking at whatever is happening there. When you use the visual consciousness, you often have visual illusions like seeing light and squiggles and little flashes of things. And that's fine. Again, it's not good or bad. You can just include that into your practice. And if none of this happens, that's fine too, of course. So first, we'll explore the gaze that is closed down. So let your eyes fall downward. What do you see? Let that become your object of meditation. Simply keep looking at it. And when the mind wanders off, just come back. I'll be silent for a couple of minutes to let you be with your direct experience. If your attention wanders, just notice that. Thinking, thinking, very gentle. And let it go, let it dissolve. Come back to just looking. If something you see starts a chain reaction of thought, whenever you realize that, just touch it lightly, labeling it thinking, thinking, and come back to looking. Let it be very light, relaxed, non-judgmental. For the next exploration, use your typical gaze, which is about 4 or 5 feet in front of you. Again, the object of meditation is whatever your eyes see. And again, I'll be silent for a couple of minutes, letting you drop into your direct experience. And finally, look straight ahead of you. And it's the same. You're just looking out, and maybe you take one aspect of what you see and let that be the object of your meditation. Now gently let go of this practice. Scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to play with visuals in your life as a tool for grounding, something that can help you come back into the present moment and anchor yourself in it. As always, enjoy your exploration. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.